One day, Ria found a tiny seed in her garden. She asked her mother, "Can this seed become a big plant?" Her mother smiled and said, "Let's find out." They planted the seed in the soil, watered it every day, and keeping it in sunlight. After a few days, small green shoots appeared, slowly grew into a healthy plant with beautiful flowers. Ria happily said, "Now I know that plants need soil, water, air and sunlight to grow." Moral of the story: science helps us understand how nature works. Thank you.
Teachers and my dear friends, today I am here to speak about Nelson Mandela International Day, observed every year on 18 July. Nelson Mandela was born on 18 July 1981 in South Africa. He dedicated his life to fighting against racial discrimination and worked for equality, justice and peace. He never gave up, even after spending 27 years in prison, he never gave up hope. In 1994, he became first black president of South Africa. To honor his inspiring life, the United Nations declared 18 July as Nelson Mandela International Day. On this day, people are encouraged to spending 67 minutes to helping others, representing 67 years. Nelson Mandela devoted to public service. As students, we can celebrate this day by being kind, respecting everyone, helping others, and working hard in our studies. Let us remember Nelson Mandela's inspiring words. Education is the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Joas Palvi from class 7. Today I am going to become a river through our imagination. Let's enjoy the speaking activity. If I were the river, I flow through mountains, forests, villages. Watching the beauty of nature, I see children playing on my banks and farmers working in the field. Birds fly above me and sing sweet songs. Sometimes I am calm, gentle, and reflecting the blue sky like a mirror. Sometimes I roar loudly during the rain and rush forward with a great power. I give water to people, animals, and plants, helping grow life everywhere. I feel happy when people respect and protect me, but I feel sad when they throw waste into my water. If I could speak, I would ask everyone to keep me clean and safe. As a river, I teach people an important lessons. Keep moving forward in life, help others, and stay pure and kind like flowing water. Thank you.